everyone, and welcome to another episode of Ask Mortgage Mike. We take topics and questions that have been asked of me regarding the mortgage industry and try to advise you, the viewer, on those topics. So today we're going to discuss gift funds. Gift funds come into play when you're purchasing a home, and that's really it. On a refinance, you're not ever going to run into a scenario of where you're going to have gift funds for being given to you. So now I'm going to talk vaguely about the gift funds and try to go over some of the information regarding how you can use it to help buy a house, some of the rules around it. I'm not going to get into the specific dollar amounts because those vary by loan program, meaning VA, FHA, conventional, jumbo. They all have different guidelines when it comes to the amount of gift funds that you can use. So gift funds are money generally given by an immediate family member. Generally, it's your parents. So this would be for first-time home buyers and receiving gift funds from their parents. Can you get it from an aunt or an uncle or grandparents? You can. The law or the guideline generally reads that it has to be a family member. Have we had some extreme examples of where someone was raised by one of their parents' friends and they've lived with them their life and they're kind of like a godparent? Yes, we've had some examples of where that's acceptable to use, but so generally speaking, it's immediate family. But a gift fund is money that you can use to apply as a down payment on the purchase of a new home in place of your own funds. Now, a couple of things regarding the gift funds is one, they have to be sourced. Last week's video was on how to source funds and how we have to have that money verified. So gift funds have to be a gift. They cannot be a loan. You cannot have your parents gift you $5,000 and then have an expectation of you paying it back. They'll have to sign a gift letter that states that that money is yours. You do not have to repay it. And I'll have to specify the account number that it's coming from. So I have to say we're gifting John and Susan $5,000 from account number 1234 at Bank of America. Then we're going to have the statement from Bank of America for your parents that show that money in the account and coming out of the account. And then we're going to have a statement from you showing where that money came into the account. Some of the things that we do that's a little bit differently on some, not all, on some loan programs, we'll let the gift funds go directly to the title company so we don't ever have to worry about sourcing the funds. If you watched last week's video, you can understand how sourcing funds can be a headache. So by having to go straight to the title company or the attorney that's closing the loan, it allows us to skip that sourcing. But we generally need to have that in the account a minimum of 24 hours before closing. We would ideally like 48 hours before closing. We can confirm from the attorney that it's been there. Then we're not having to have the money in the account. A lot of parents like knowing that so that they know that the money's going to the actual purchase of the home. So there are a lot of scenarios where you can get gift money. Remember, it's generally going to be from immediate family members. It's going to be used for the purchase of a home. It has to be a gift. It cannot be paid back. And the family member or the person giving you the gift is going to have to source the fund from one of their accounts that the money came from, and they're going to have to sign a letter that that money is not owed back. So again, I hope this was a great little inside look at how you can use gift funds to purchase a home and some questions around them. Again, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel. Hope everyone has a great week.